Let's hear his penis. This is how the penis looks. Well, next up is the vagina.
Hey, we should take the kids to, cooking class.
It looks like a ham sandwich. I like to put my penis in the ham sandwich.
Hi, I'm sorry I was late. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I was late.
Yeah, well. Today we're just gonna have to show you how sex ed works on your penis. Could you please stand up so the whole class can see you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna unzip your pants like this here. Yeah.
No. No.
You see how wet it gets? Alright, sit down.
I'm going to cooking class.
Hey now, mister, I'm not done with you. Open up this door immediately.
Cooking class!